Becoming mentally stronger. Every day, a tale of two individuals in the bustling city of Sapphire Bay. Two individuals, Mira and Rowan, embarked on unique journeys to develop their mental strength. Both faced challenges in their personal and professional lives but adopted distinct strategies to overcome them, ultimately demonstrating how resilience and consistent effort can forge a strong mind. Mira, the silent warrior. Mira was a 29-year-old software developer working in a high-pressure corporate environment. Her days were filled with deadlines, demanding clients, and an overwhelming amount of work. Despite her technical expertise, Mira struggled with self-doubt. She often felt she was not good enough and found it difficult to voice her opinions in meetings. Her lack of confidence spilled over into her personal life, where she avoided social gatherings and felt isolated. One day, after a particularly harsh feedback session at work, Mira decided that she needed to take control of her life. She began researching ways to build mental strength and stumbled upon the concept of small wins. She learned that small, consistent actions could significantly improve one's resilience and confidence. Mira's journey began with mindfulness. Every morning, she spent 10 minutes meditating, focusing on her breath and letting go of negative thoughts. At first, she found it difficult to concentrate, but with persistence, she noticed a shift. Her mornings started feeling calmer, and she approached her day with a clearer mind. She also implemented a gratitude journal. Every night, she listed 3 things she was thankful for. This practice helped her reframe her thoughts, shifting her focus from what was going wrong to what was going right. For instance, instead of dwelling on a mistake at work, she acknowledged the effort she had put in and the lessons she had learned. Mira set small, achievable goals. In meetings, she challenged herself to speak at least once, even if it was just to agree with a colleague. Gradually, she started contributing ideas, and her confidence grew. Within a year, she became a respected voice in her team. Her newfound mental strength also transformed her personal life. She started attending social events, made new friends, and even joined a book club, something she had always wanted to do. Rowan the Phoenix Risen Grohan, a 35-year-old fitness trainer, had a different story. Known for his physical strength and vibrant personality, few people realized that Rowan was battling inner demons. After a messy divorce and the loss of his father in the same year, Rowan found himself in a dark place. He struggled with anger, guilt, and a sense of failure. His once thriving business began to suffer as he lost the motivation to push forward. One evening, while aimlessly scrolling through his phone, Rowan came across a video about Stoic philosophy. Intrigued, he began exploring its principles, particularly the idea of focusing on what is within one's control and accepting what isn't. Rowan started practicing this mindset by identifying his circle of control. He realized that while he couldn't undo his past, he could control how he reacted to it. He began his mornings by writing down 3 things he could control that day, such as his attitude, his actions, and how he treated others. This practice gave him a sense of empowerment. To manage his emotions, Rowan took up journaling. Every night, he wrote about his day, expressing his feelings and reflecting on how he handled challenges. This habit not only provided an emotional outlet but also helped him recognize patterns in his behavior and thought processes. Physical exercise, already a part of his life, became a therapeutic activity. Rowan started running, finding solace in the rhythmic pounding of his feet against the pavement. With each mile, he felt his burdens lighten, as if he were shedding layers of negativity. Running also gave him time to think and plan his next steps. Rowan's journey to mental strength also involved reconnecting with his purpose. He began offering free fitness classes in his community, helping people who couldn't afford a gym membership. This act of giving not only reignited his passion for fitness but also reminded him of his ability to make a positive impact. The path to mental strength. Mira and Rowan had different challenges and approaches. Their journeys shared common themes that anyone can adopt. 1. Mindfulness and reflection. Both Mira and Rowan used mindfulness through meditation and journaling to gain clarity and control over their thoughts. 2. Small wins. Mira's goal of speaking in meetings and Rowan's daily circle of control demonstrated the power of focusing on small, achievable actions. 3. Physical activity. Whether it was Mira's participation in social events or Rowan's therapeutic runs, physical activity played a crucial role in their mental well-being. 4. Gratitude and giving back. Mira's gratitude journal and Rowan's community fitness classes highlight the importance of appreciating what you have and helping others. 5. Consistency. Both individuals showed that mental strength is not built overnight. It requires consistent effort and a commitment to personal growth. Conclusion: a journey, not a destination. Mira and Rowan's stories illustrate that becoming mentally strong is a deeply personal journey. It involves acknowledging one's vulnerabilities, embracing change, and taking deliberate steps toward growth. While the path is not always easy, the rewards confidence, resilience, and a sense of purpose are worth the effort. For anyone looking to strengthen their mind, the key takeaway is to start small, stay consistent, and believe in the possibility of change. As Mira and Rowan discovered, mental strength is not about being unbreakable. It's about learning to bend without breaking and rising stronger each time you fall.